Battery storage is a technology that's been around for quite some time in more kind of small scale technology, devices, phones, laptops, things like that, and we're building it to a bigger scale to enable the storage of excess energy or energy on the market that we can utilise in the future. We're in Salisbury, which is a little bit down the road from where Stonehenge is. We've got a substation behind us that we're connecting into. The benefits of battery storage are that it's a storage device, so essentially when there's a surplus of energy on the transmission network, we are able to incorporate that and charge the batteries. And then when there's a lull, so in the evenings when more electronics are going on at home, for example, and the transmission system needs a higher amount of energy, we can pull that from the batteries and push it onto the transmission network. There is a lot of upscalability happening across the UK in terms of battery storage. There's quite a few that are coming into fruition at the moment. A lot of it is kind of greenfield development, quite far down the road, but we have projects in Ferrybridge, which is in the north. I believe that's 150 megawatts worth of battery that's coming in, so essentially 3 times as big as what we've got here. This is more of a pilot kind of flagship project. You can kind of see the potential going forward, and these sites are only going to get bigger when the technology expands anyway. So there's definitely potential for investment in kind of reaching those net zero goals that we've got.